open it up, mate, and then you just bite. It's absolutely, every year, it's gorgeous. Every year. I'd say this is probably one of the only sports which doesn't discriminate against people. So, ages, genders, size-wise, ability, it just doesn't discriminate.
It's not just about the Chinese communities. We're all coming together, and we're sort of not only getting involved in the traditional Chinese sport of dragon boat racing, but we're also seeing the other traditional side.
抖音